Hey there. Good morning. I wanted to show you a few little things that I do with Beautycounter products. So last week, I tested positive for COVID and I've been feeling kind of very tired, a little dehydrated this week. So I wanted to show you some of my pick-me-ups, great cleansing routines that are so clean and safe and really high performing. So this is the Lotus Cleansing Balm, and it has lotus extract, jojoba oils, avocado seed oil in it, and it actually is a multitasker. You can use this as a cleansing balm, which I'll show you how I use it. So I apply as much as you'd like, usually a little bit is great, all over your skin, and I'll use two hands to put it on, which I usually do, and it feels unbelievable, really beautiful. It takes up all your makeup. If you have eye makeup on, it'll take off that. Any kind of dirt makeup you have going on, take a warm washcloth and just sort of pat dry and cleanse off. You can repeat if you'd like. It feels amazing. Right there, it's great. You could actually use this again as a night mask. So just apply some more on it and go to bed, and in the morning your skin feels so smooth. It cleans without stripping the skin of the natural oils. Now I am now a senior citizen, actually. So I noticed my skin changing a lot. And I know some of you are so much younger, but if you start early and take care of your skin and use clean, safe products, when you get older, it's really aging gracefully is what it's all about. So this is also, wanted to show you the 3 steps I love this week is the All Bright C Toner, All Bright C Serum, and All Bright C Oil. So what I did was I cleansed with the Lotus Cleansing Balm. I'm going to prep with the toner. I'm going to give my skin lots of great nutrients and with the serum. And then I'm going to protect with a little light oil, which is all vitamin C. So this is going to really give myself a little picker-upper. So this is the toner, and it feels amazing. Not really a lot of tingling, but it just feels so fresh, wonderful. So that's a toner. I have prepped my skin. It's ready for the serum. Here's our powerhouse All Bright Vitamin C Serum. If anything, I would recommend get this serum. It is truly amazing. So as I wear it, right away, I can feel it, brightening the skin, reducing the dark spots. I had a lot of dark spots all over here on the side of my skin, and this has definitely lifted them without any medical intervention. This is the oil to protect. So I'm going to add just a couple drops and then smooth on the oil all over. And oh my goodness, it's not oily. It just feels so good. Light, hydrating, protecting. Now, if you want a little more before you put anything else on, I love, love, love the Supreme Cream. This is part of the Counter Time regimen, and the Supreme Cream, look how thick that is. You can just use this night or day. It's meant for night, but I like it during the day, just a little bit, and it's just gonna give myself a little bit more protection lasting all day. So that is my clean skin routine. And please send me a message if you'd like to know any more details or have questions. And have a healthy and happy day. Thanks.